Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess, and welcome back to yet another vlog. Yes, we're trying to vlog again. Tada tada tada. And yeah, happy Dashera to you all. I mean, belated Dashera obviously, but yeah. To you guys, this vlog will be up like later. It's Dashera today, and I'm in PG only, not at home. And yeah, home is like major missing right now, of course. So we're gonna we decided to like go somewhere and enjoy this day and not feel like homesick, if that makes sense. It's gonna be a very random vlog. Like it's 2:12 right now and I've started to vlog like right now. And yeah, I have to get ready to go out. We're gonna go out in some time, me and one of my friend Arpita. Oh, light bhag gayi. Random stupid like power break, it actually is going on, so I cannot wait for it to come back. And yeah, I'll quickly get ready and be back to you guys in the vlog then. So yeah, so this is already like 1 hour since I started this vlog, and this is my OOTD, a dangri dress, sneakers, my baguette bag, and yeah, a very contrasting top for this dangri look. And this is my partner who I am going with. Hi Arpita. Photographer here. Hi, say hi. Hello. These are so many photographers here. Okay, so she is getting clicked, like she need to get some pictures clicked before going, and I am not gonna do that because we don't have any time. So this is my OOTD. Very simple earrings to go with, sneakers to be comfortable, and yeah, that's how we are going. Like made this half hair up though, and it's very comfortable as well because open hairs में already कुछ comfortable नहीं होता है. So this is the best. Ready real fast. Haha, just joking, I know. It's 3:15 already. It's been more than an hour since I started this vlog, and yeah, I'm already all set. Nothing really like too much about this look. And yeah, we've decided to go to the Pacific Mall here in Dehradun. And yeah, because अभी उसको कुछ मेरी friend को कुछ खरीदना भी था वहाँ से, particularly from that place. So yeah, we're going there. And yeah, it's Dashera today. We wanted to enjoy. We were feeling homesick, so why not? Let's go somewhere and see क्या होता है. It's gonna be very random, like we don't know where are we like going exactly, in which store and what exactly we're gonna do. So let's see, whatever happens. We are here at Pacific. पूरे टाइम में यही करते रहने वाली हूँ. So नहीं वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन पीछे. So firstly, we've decided to like rush into this market 99 here. Oh uncle, sorry. Wow, this cute stuffed toy. These are pretty. If broken, consider to be sold. Of course, we won't even. I picked this up. I really like it. So this is what we have got so far. Me and Arpita both are shopping. This store is crazy, you guys. You know, everything is just like so affordable here. I am loving it, literally. So this is all we got from this store. hardcore shoppers, you know. Oh my god, I really need to have a home. Like I want to buy all these things. Like, oh my god. Look at these pretty stools. These boxes. OMG. Down. More to go. एक बैग ऑलरेडी हो गया है. अभी देखते हैं हम लोग मिनीसो हेड कर रहे हैं एंड अर्पिता को और भी कुछ लेना है. देन शी इज अ हार्डकोर शॉपर यू गाइस. ओह गॉड, लेट्स हेड टू मिनीसो. अर्पिता तैयारी कर रही है. अर्पिता, बच्चों के कपड़े क्यों लेने आई हो तुम?
आई एम बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड.
बैक टू द ब्लॉग कंटिन्यूइंग. मिनीसो में कितने अरमानों से गए थे हम लोग. लाइक कितने अरमानों से गए थे. एंड देहरादून का मिनीसो स्टोर बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं है. लाइक पैसिफिक एक्चुअली, लाइक हाँ करेक्टली एग्जैक्टली जो पैसिफिक का मिनीसो स्टोर है, आई रियली डिडंट लाइक इट. सामान भी इतना अच्छा नहीं था. तो नो, इतने अरमानों से गए थे हम. बट देन then explored like some other stores as well. उसके घर पे सामान ले जाने के लिए. एंड नाउ अभी हम बस खड़े हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं उसके फ्रेंड का. उसका एक फ्रेंड मिलने आ रहा है एंड वी आर गोना जस्ट गेट पिक्चर्स क्लिक नाउ एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. Just stop here to get the favorite thing of mine by the store, Khonwala. I just love sweet corn and I'm all here for it. We are done with all the shopping and exploring and she's waiting for her friends to come. They're still not here and now we are here for the coffee. Like we've been like we're exhausted now and so we're sitting outside in this beautiful area with this beautiful decor just outside the Pacific Mall. And yeah, we're waiting for our lattes. So currently it's 9:59 10 now. So I almost forgot to like end this vlog and obviously I had to show you guys what all we got from the mall. And yeah, so I'm gonna just quickly show you guys what all we got one by one and then obviously we'll end the vlog. So yeah, let's quickly move on to that. So this is the bag. वही हमने जो सब कुछ लिया था एक ही स्टोर से, आई गेस 2 स्टोर से शायद हमने लिया. देन मिनीसो में हम बहुत दिल से गए थे, एज आई टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी. एंड वहाँ पे मुझे कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगा, लाइक कुछ भी. सो अपन के पास अभी जो भी है आई विल क्विकली शो यू वन बाय वन. इसमें मिक्स्ड सामान है मेरा और अर्पिता दोनों का. मोस्टली उसी का है बिकॉज मैं इतना शॉपिंग करने नहीं गई थी. उसको बहुत सारा शॉपिंग ऑलरेडी दिमाग में था क्या क्या लेना है नहीं. सो या वी हैव फर्स्ट थिंग आई कैन सी इज दिस. लाइक क्या बोलते हैं इसको, बेकिंग करने में ये यूज़ होता है, हैंड ग्लोव. baking glove, whatever we call it. So ये अर्पिता ने लिया है. Like that 99 store was so great. It's not that everything was for 99 only. So next up I have this tissue ka packet, and then we have these incense sticks, which is in lavender like fragrance. We don't call it flavor, right? Fragrance, yeah. Then we have this lavender fragrance candle. I love it, you know. I'm into candles like a lot these days. किसी को कुछ गिफ्ट करना है ना, मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो देख रहे हैं, प्लीज़ मुझे ये सेंटेड कैंडल्स गिफ्ट कर देना. तो नेक्स्ट अप इन द बैग आई कैन सी दिस पेन्स का पैकेट. ये भी अच्छा था. एंड आई कैन नेवर लाइक फॉरगेट स्टेशनरी. दिस इज़ लाइक दैट ऑरेंज कैंडीज का बॉक्स. ये भी अर्पिता ने लिया है. ऑलमोस्ट सामान सारा अर्पिता ने लिया. ये है रूम फ्रेशनर जो कि मेरा है. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इन विच फ्रेग्रेंस? जैस्मिन, नॉट लेवेंडर. आई वॉज hoping I had bought lavender only, but no. And at the end I have this pretty jhumkas which I got like भागते दौड़ते from घंटाघर only. And थोड़ा सा शाम का टाइम था तो उसने बहुत अच्छे से सस्ते में ऐसे दे दिया. These are very pretty golden jhumkas. Sweet. And I love all the design and everything. I thought like it would go like very well with all the festive wears and everything. फेस्टिवल का सीज़न वैसे भी आ रहा है and मम्मी भी पहन सकती है and मैं भी obviously. It's very pretty, like very like it can uplift the look like instantly. So I loved it. He was saying it for 200, but I bargained a little and I got it for 150 only. Arpita is here. So that is it with everything which we both got from there. And then lastly I got something to eat, like my love chocolava. And that is it with the vlog. I really hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to press the like button, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.